Students, welcome you all to the video lecture of Srimati Shantaben Haribhai Kajera English Medium School, Amreli. Today we are going to learn about national symbols and deserts of class 5. First of all, we have to know what is national symbol. So national symbol is a symbol of any entity considering and manifesting itself to the world as a national community. In a state of colonial or other dependence, federal integration, or even an ethnocultural community considered a national despite having no political autonomy. National symbol intend to unite people by creating visual, verbal, or iconic representation of the national people, values, goal, or history. These symbols are often railed around as a part of celebration of patriotism or aspiration nationalism, and are designed to be inclusive and representative of all the people of national community. National symbols are patriotic symbols representing a national and countries. Sometimes symbols are used for cultural or ethnic groups that do not have their own country yet. National symbols try to unite people or send a messages by representing the national people value, goals, or history. So in a slide we have to see that here one side given country and another side the national symbol of that country. Now we are going to learn it. First of all, Afghanistan. The national symbol of Afghanistan is lion. Then Australia. The national symbol of Australia is Southern Cross constellation that include 5 to 7 pointed stars and kangaroo. Then Austria. The national symbol of Austria is golden eagle. Then Bangladesh. The national symbol of Bangladesh is Bengali tiger or water lily. Then Belgium. National symbol of Belgium is lion. Then national symbol of Bhutan is thunder dragon known as Drak. Then national symbol of Brazil, Southern Cross constellation. Then Burma. National symbol of Burma is mythical lion. Then Cambodia. The national symbol of Cambodia is Angkor Wat temple. Then China. National symbol of China is dragon. Then Denmark. National symbol of Denmark is lion. Egypt, golden eagle. Then European Union, a circle of 12 stars. Then Finland. National symbol of Finland is lion. Then Germany. National symbol of Germany is golden eagle. Then Greece. National symbol of Greece is Greek cross. Then Vatican City, crossed keys. Then Indonesia, mythical bird. Then Iran, lion. Iraq, golden eagle. Then Israel, star of David. Then Italy, a white and 5-pointed star. Then Japan. National symbol of Japan is red sun disk. Then Maldives, coconut palm. Then Nepal, rhododendron blossom. Then New Zealand, the Southern Cross constellation that include 4 5-pointed stars, kiwi as a bird, silver fern. Then Pakistan, Star and Crescent. Then Peru, the camelid related to the Ima. Then Philippines, Philippine eagle. Then Saudi Arabia. The national symbol of Saudi Arabia is palm tree surmounting two crossed swords. Then after Singapore. The national symbol of Singapore is lion. Then South Africa. The national symbol of South Africa is springbok antelope. Then Spain, pillar of Hercules. Then Sri Lanka, lion. Switzerland, Swiss cross. Then Taiwan, white 12 red sun on blue field. Then Thailand, the mythical half man, half bird figure, and elephant. The national symbol of Turkey, star and crescent. Then United Arab Emirates, the golden falcon. Then United Kingdom, lion, or England, the national symbol of England is rose. Then United States, the national symbol of United States is bald eagle. Then Zimbabwe, the national symbol of Zimbabwe is Zimbabwe bird symbol. Here our national symbol is over. Now next one is the deserts. I think everyone, you all know that what is desert, but we can say that the desert is a landscape form or a region that receive very little precipitation. Generally, deserts are defined as areas that receive an average annual precipitation of less than 250 millimeters. It includes 10 inches. The terminology used to define desert is complex. The desert covers more than 1/5 of the Earth's land area, and they are found on every continent. A place that receives less than 10 inches of rain per year is considered as a desert. Deserts are part of a wider class of regions called drylands. Then you all know the largest desert in India is Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is also known as Great Indian Desert, is largest. And in a screen you can see that different deserts name, their type and area by square kilometer, and its location is given. First of all, first one is Arabian Desert. The type of Arabian Desert is subtropical, and area of Arabian Desert is 23,30,000 and location is Western Asia. Then second one is Gobi Desert. It's a cold type deserts, and the area of the desert is 1 crore and location is Central Asia. Then after Syrian Desert, it is a subtropical and the area of it is 5,20,000 and location of it is Western Asia. Then Karakum Desert, the type of the desert is cold and the area is 3,50,000, and the next one is a Kaizelkum Desert. The type of this desert is also cold and the area per square kilometer is 3 lakh and its location is in Central Asia. Then Taklamakan Desert. The type of this desert is cold and area is 2,70,000 and location is in China. Then Thar Desert, it's subtropical. The area of Thar Desert is 2 lakh and location is South Asia. Then next one is Deste Margo. The type is subtropical and area is 1,50,000 and the location of this desert is Afghanistan. Then after Registan Desert, the type of Registan Desert is subtropical and the area is 1,46,000 and location is Afghanistan. Then after Ordos Desert, the area of this desert is 90,650 and location is China. Then Daste Cavir, the type of this desert is subtropical and the area is 77,000 and location is Iran. Then next one, Daste Lut. The type of this desert is subtropical and area of this desert is 52,000 and location is Iran. Then last one, Globe Desert. The area of this desert is 50,000 and location is China. I hope you understand it very well, and thank you everyone and have a nice day.